Welcome to Fidget Spinner Trickshots. Let's go! The dance party. The dance party. This is the buddy toss. Oh! Nice classic glow in the dark one. Let's see how it works. This is the book flip. Still spinning, boys. Let's go! So right now, we got this rainbow fidget spinner. It's metal. It's nice and smooth. It's got a little noise, but it's perfect for the trick shot. This is the roly-poly. Yes! This is the roly-poly. Yes! Broken down green spinner. It's pretty bad. I mean, the bearing pops out. It's pretty bad. A little history about it. You know, found on the floor in some public place. This is the under the net shot. Still spinning. So you gotta have that intro music. Okay, hey guys, so we got this nice rainbow, like odd shaped spinner. It's metal, of course. Metal's the best, like why not? And it's kind of loud, but it's really fun to play with, and it's pretty heavy, so it goes longer. Let's try it. This is the fidget bouncer. Yeah! This is my, one of my favorites. It's a sapphire dragon, as you can see. It's pretty nice, It's got, it could have a better spin, but it's still pretty nice. This is the soaring dragon. This is the soaring dragon. So, today we're going to be interviewing this nice silver one with the little holes in it. It's light. It's kind of noisy, but yet it's actually pretty fun to play with. You can like bounce it on stuff and throw it and catch it. So, I mean, yeah. So I'm actually pretty good with this one, with like the balance and stuff, like doing this. So I'm gonna try and do it 10 times. And if I do, you owe us 10 subscribers. Does that sound right? 10 subscribers. Okay. Ready? 10 times, 10 subscribers. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you owe us the 10 subscribers. 10. So this is the nice 2-prong rainbow one. It's pretty nice. I mean, it's pretty wobbly and noisy, but it's 2, so it's not really the greatest. So see what I can do with it. This is the wobbly snipe. So this is the golden ninja star, and so this thing was bought on Amazon, and actually pretty good. Besides the noise, it's like light. Doesn't spin that long, but it's actually pretty good. Just try it out. Fidget spinner snipe. Yeah! Fidget spinner snipe. Yeah! So you guys might be wondering, how do I make a fidget spinner for free? Or get one? Well, it's pretty easy. My solution is Legos. What you want to do? You want to get the Lego? Want to put these on every side. These, 2x4 pieces. Want to put them this. I'm going to have another one of these circular pieces like this. And then I'm going to hook it on. It's kind of a struggle to get them on. A struggle. The struggle is real. Okay, there we go. I got it. Make sure that's tight. I'm gonna get this, and then I want to put that in there. Put it fidget spinner, and then that to the top a little bit. There you go. You got a fidget spinner. This is the last one. It's a Desco. Pretty nice, It's got a pretty long spin time. I mean, pretty hard to find in stores and stuff, so, it's pretty nice. Let's see what I can do with it. This is the skull slider. Times 6. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how it's still spinning all the time.
It's still spinning.
5. Last but not least, 6. Let's get
And
it!
it's still spinning.
Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more, please subscribe and send us some fan mail. Have any suggestions, just please tell us. And comment also. Like and view our videos. And that's all we have today. See ya!